Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video, unpacking and setting up your new EU2200i Honda generator. In this video, we'll show you how to properly and safely unpack and set up your new generator. Always refer to the owner's manual for additional information regarding the setup of your generator. Honda portable generators are lightweight and can typically be carried by one person. The EU2200i weighs approximately 46.5 pounds. Carry your new Honda generator to a suitable work area like a garage. To open the generator box, lightly cut the tape at the top of the box and then open the cardboard flaps. Remove the cardboard insert which contains the owner's manual, product registration information, and an accessory sheet. Firmly grasp the generator carrying handle and remove the generator from the box, placing it on a solid surface. Always register your generator with Honda in case there are any important product updates, and to verify warranty repair coverage, please take a few minutes to register your unit by using either of these two methods: online at powerequipment.honda.com or by mailing in the postage-paid registration card included in the box. If your generator wasn't set up by a Honda Power Equipment dealer, then it doesn't have oil in the engine. If the yellow engine oil warning tag is still present, it indicates that oil will need to be added before operation of your generator. To add oil to the generator, you'll need a flat-tip screwdriver, 1 quart of SAE 10W30 API SJ or later conventional oil, a small funnel, and some clean rags. With the generator on a flat level surface, use the screwdriver to loosen the maintenance cover screw and set the maintenance cover aside. Loosen the oil filler cap and set aside. Insert the funnel into the oil filler neck and slowly add enough oil until just before it begins to run out of the filler neck, or approximately 14 ounces. Be careful not to overfill the engine. Tighten the oil filler cap securely and wipe off any spilled oil. Reinstall the maintenance cover and tighten the maintenance cover screw securely. Now you can remove the yellow oil warning tag from the starter grip and dispose of it. It's recommended that you don't add gasoline until you're ready to operate the generator. For any additional information regarding the unpacking and setup of your EU2200i, refer to your owner's manual or contact your Honda Power Equipment dealer.